how to enable or disable download in Dolby Atmos in Apple Music on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Now we swipe up to go down and tap on Music. Next, we go down to the Downloads section and tap on Download in Dolby Atmos. So tap on the toggle button to turn it on, otherwise you can switch it off. And that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Next, to download music, you can open up the music app, and in here you can look for the songs that you want to download, and then just tap on Add to Library, and after that you can tap on the download button to download the song. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.